Welcome back to our channel. If you enjoy trying to profit online, then this is the best channel for you. Make sure to follow at the very end of this video so that you can start earning money. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click on the subscribe button and turn on the notifications so that you will be notified when I have a new and exciting strategy for making money online. So let's get started. This is a very straightforward method. This is available globally and it's for free, so be sure to stay tuned to learn more. Listen closely to this video since you can learn a lot from it. You can earn over $13.80 each hour through a simple click that you obtain on your link. This is going to be quite simple to accomplish because all you need is a few clicks to get started. You can earn lots of money per clicks that you make. Once again, it's completely free and it's available worldwide, so there's no reason why you shouldn't start making some money with it. However, in order for this to work, you must follow each and every step outlined in this video and take immediate action after this end. This is going to be an incredible way of earning money because $13 per click corresponds to $1,000 when you get 100 clicks. And it's available worldwide. It doesn't make a difference where you're from or if you've never created a single penny online because it's beginner friendly and you don't need to make an investment at all. You can immediately begin with no money. The first step you need to do is to go to warriorplus.com and click the sign up button. You will be prompted to create a username, enter your email address, and create a password before being able to log into your account. Especially, this is a place where vendors and affiliates can come every day and post their digital products for sale. It focuses on making money online, but how can we get income per click with this website? First and foremost, sign up for this website. After you sign up, it will take you to the next page where I will show you precisely how to set it up with only a few clicks. All you have to do now is to go to the affiliate area, click on offers, and you'll be taken to the top of the page where you can see the top products that are currently selling. You can apply to become an affiliate for all of those products and make some incredible money with every person that you send those affiliate links within those products. You can see various products that are selling here. And here's a tactic. You can't just choose any product from here. If you want to improve your results, you should pay special attention to the conversion rates, to the visitor value, average sale and refund rate. It will be quite easy to track in Warrior Plus. Simply click request and then wait to obtain the affiliate links for that product. I suggest that you concentrate on those that have a conversion rate of at least 5% and a return rate of less than 5%. And ensure that the conversion rate is rather high, which means that if you sell to 100 targeted people, you may make a lot of money. The amount of money you make depends on the product, and the visitor value depends on how you gain each visitor you send to that offer. If you send to 100 individuals, you have a good possibility of making a lot of money per person you send using affiliate links. You can click on the product and it will take you to the next section where you can learn more about it and see the commission range, where you can see how much you can make per product you offer to promote. Simply request for an approval per product you wish to advertise. And most of the time, they will accept you in less than 24 hours, allowing you to acquire your affiliate link and begin promoting that product. Once you've been approved, go to All Offers part to see all the products. Then go to Approve just to see the products you've been approved to advertise. Now you can take your affiliate link and start promoting that product. Your earnings depend on the products, but you can earn a lot of profits per person that clicks your affiliate offers. I can simply click on Get Link to acquire my affiliate link, which I will copy, and now it's time to truly advertise the product and set it up on automation so we can earn some great earnings. I'm going to show you how we can set it up on Autopilot to get targeted traffic that is actually interested in a product. You can set it up on Autopilot with separate platforms. For instance, if you have an Instagram page, like a business or making money online page, you can search for hashtag make money online, hashtag online business, or affiliate marketing and just leave your affiliate link in your bio. And have a statement of intent like this person has been to my website and been successful. So you can attract people to click in your affiliate link. People who are looking to make money online are posting, liking, and engaging with posters in Instagram in the Make Money Online niche. Just start engaging with them and you'll be sending people to your page where they will be able to see your link, which will redirect them to the sales page at clickfunnels.com, where they can know more about the products you want to offer. You can earn money for each click on your affiliate link, which is fantastic. And we can find a wide range of these platforms, a vast number of these pages that are posting something related to online business or posting something related to business are entrepreneurs and wants to make money. They want to make money and develop a business, so all you have to do is start posting and creating that page and put your affiliate link in your bio. That's one of the ways you can promote your affiliate links in full automation. The second method is to go to Facebook and search for Make Money Online groups. You can then go to all of the groups, try communicating with them, and forming relationships with people. After that, you can just start sending them your affiliate offers. Don't just go out there and give your links all over there, because those links will obviously get buried by lots of other people. Remember that after you've established relationships with them, you can send them to your affiliate offers and promote them on those sales pages, where you'll get commissions per link on your affiliate link and every sale you make for that specific product as an affiliate. Basically, those are the things you need to do. It's very easy. I suggest you start now to earn great income. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel, and also turn on the notifications bell so you won't miss out on any of the videos. Thanks again for your undivided attention, and I'll see you in some of the other videos.